Hey everyone, I'm Will, and in today's video, we're taking a closer look at the devices that have become a staple in our daily lives, phones. But we're not talking about just any ordinary facts, we're sharing 10 facts you didn't know about phones. Get ready to be surprised and learn something new. Fact number 1. The first smartphone. The first smartphone, called the IBM Simon, was introduced in 1992. It combined the functions of a cell phone and a personal digital assistant, PDA, allowing users to make calls, send messages, and access information on the go. Fact number 2. The first mobile phone call. The first mobile phone call was made in 1973 by Martin Cooper of Motorola. He made the call using the prototype of the Dynati AC8000X, considered the first commercially available mobile phone. This marked the beginning of the widespread use of mobile phones and changed the way people communicate. Fact number 3. The first text message. The first text message was sent on December 3, 1992 by engineer Neil Papworth. He sent the message "Merry Christmas" via a computer to a Vodafone executive's phone, marking the birth of SMS, short message service, texting. This innovation changed the way people communicate and has become an essential aspect of daily life. Fact number 4. Checking your phone. On average, a person checks their phone about 80 to 150 times per day. This has become a widespread habit due to the constant connectivity and convenience provided by smartphones. It has also raised concerns about phone addiction and its impact on mental health and productivity. Fact number 5. Blue light. The blue light emitted by phone screens affects the production of the sleep hormone melatonin, making it harder to fall asleep. This has raised concerns about its impact on sleep quality and overall health. To mitigate the effects of blue light, people use blue light blocking screens, apps, and glasses or limit phone usage before bedtime. Fact number 6. Camera. The first camera phone was the Sharp J-SH04, released in Japan in 2000. It allowed users to take pictures and send them via email or MMS. This marked a turning point in the history of photography and transformed the way people capture and share memories. Today, camera phones have become essential and have greatly impacted the photography industry. Fact number 7. The first iPhone. The first iPhone was introduced by Apple in 2007. It revolutionized the smartphone market with its innovative design, user-friendly interface, and features such as a large multi-touch screen and mobile internet browsing. The iPhone set the standard for future smartphones and changed the way people interact with technology. Fact number 8. Bacteria. Studies have shown that phones can harbor a large number of bacteria, including harmful pathogens. This is due to their constant contact with hands and surfaces. Regular cleaning and disinfecting of phones can help reduce the buildup of bacteria and minimize the risk of spreading germs. Fact number 9. Fast charging. The fastest charging phone varies depending on the manufacturer and model, but the Redmi Note 12 Explorer can charge from 0 to 100% in just 9 minutes with its 210-watt charging technology. Fact number 10. Number of mobile phone owners. There are over 7 billion mobile phone users worldwide. This number has rapidly grown due to the increasing availability and affordability of smartphones, transforming the way people communicate and access information. The high number of mobile phone users is expected to continue growing in the coming years. So there you have it, 10 facts you didn't know about phones. We hope you learned something new today, and if you own a phone, maybe it's time to give it a good clean. Don't forget to like and share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational videos. See you in the next one.